Hello.
Who I'm speaking with?
Hi, my name is Amit. I'm a local realtor. I was calling about your house that just came off the market, and I'm calling because I am confident I can get it sold, and I need just 20 minutes to show you how I can do that. Will it be available today?
Well, how can you be so sure?
Yeah, that's a good question, and that's the reason why I just want to meet with you and show you exactly what I do differently in today's market. And it will take me
Uh-huh.
just 20 minutes to share with you that information. Can we meet today, 3:30 or 4? What will be better for you?
I have to think about it. Why don't you? Are you local?
Yes.
You're local in. You do business in Portland or in Beaverton? Where?
I walk all over, so I do not have like one specific area, but I also live, I would say maybe 5, 7 minutes from your property. I live in Bunny Slope, so I live really close by, and I'm very familiar with the area.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, how many homes have you listed for the Forest Heights area of my neighborhood?
I currently do not have a listing in that area, but I can tell you briefly about myself. I'm a very active and aggressive agent. Since the beginning of the year, I listed 19 homes, 7 sold already, 3 pending, and I'm very active and aggressive. And I have 8 active listings right now. As I mentioned, I work much differently in today's market, and I'm not asking for any obligation on your side, obviously. All I'm proposing is just to show you what I do differently, how it can benefit you. If it makes sense for you, great. If no, I will
Yeah.
shake your hand and be out on my way.
Okay. Well, the thing is, that sounds fine. Okay. So how many homes have you sold this year?
7, and I have 3 pending.
Where are they? Where are they located?
One in downtown, the pending one or the sold ones.
Let's talk about. You can lump them together. Pending is almost actually consider them sold. Also, where are they located?
One of them is a condo in downtown. The other one is a condo in Multnomah Village. I have a commercial property on Division, Southeast Portland, and I sold in Beaverton, in Hillsborough. Yeah, mainly in Portland. Yes.
Okay. That's pretty impressive. Okay.
Thank you.
Well, I want to hear you. What would what's wrong with current realtors' approach to sell homes?
That's a good question. So mainly a big reason why a house is not selling, first of all, is the price. I will not get into price because I still did not see a house in person. I did not do research, so I'm not going to throw a number for you over the phone. And the second thing is the activities of your agent and what he is doing to actually get the property sold. Now, are you familiar between the passive and active approach when it comes to sell real estate? You heard about it before?
I heard about it, but I want to hear your perspective.
Yeah.
Can you describe the differences between the two for me?
Yeah, definitely. So basically, what 99% of the agents do, they take the passive approach, and how that coming into an effect after they just basically list the house. What they do some professional pictures, put a sign in the yard, put the property on the MLS. It automatically goes to all the website. They may not do some open houses, but mainly after they just list the house, they just sit, hope, and pray that the house somehow will sell, and they do not take any active activities in order to get it sold. And this is also one of the reasons why houses is not selling in today's market, because we are not in a very low interest rate market right now as we were a few years ago, where you just put a house on the market and it's selling very, very fast. It's taking much more activities in today's market to get a house actually sold. So in addition to all of those passive approaches, after I'm going to just list your house, this is when I actually start to work and actively look for buyers for your property. If it's within your neighborhood, within cross-selling between my other listing, contacting buyers and agents around the area, and doing multiple ways that I'm actually doing that. And the main reason why I want to meet with you is so I can share with you in detail what I do and share with you that information. That makes sense?
Yeah, that seems to make sense. So, okay, all right.
Perfect. Can we meet today at 4 p.m. at the property?
I'm not so sure I can meet you with you today. Maybe sometime later. Maybe next week, but not today.
Today you are fully booked?
Yeah, I have other things going in my life.
I see. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. And also it's the weekend. I do not want to disturb you on your weekend. So can
why don't you? Yeah. So then I don't know you. Why don't you send me? I can get you my email address. You can. Why don't you send me your contact information, and so that I can know you a little better, and we can figure out a time to meet sometime next week.
Sure, I can definitely send you all my contact information. If you want, I can do it also by text to this number if it's more easy for you.
It doesn't. Yeah, I think email is better because I get so many junk text messages. Just so many. I just delete them. I ignore them. So yes, certainly. Once I know you, messaging text message is going to be much better.
Yeah. Okay.
But finally, yeah. So by the way, how did you find out my contact information?
So I get a list of properties that coming off the market. Yeah, and that's how I got your info. So what is a good email for you to send you my contact?
Yeah, I'll send you a text message shortly. What's your name?
My name is Amit. So I tell you what, the phone I'm calling you from is my landline and I'm not receiving text from there. So as we're going to get off the phone, I will text you my information to your number and then you can send me your email and I will send you all my info through email, okay?
Sounds great. Thank you so much, Amit.
Of course, we're going to be in touch soon. Can we just maybe pin a time for tomorrow so I can just block my schedule for you and then we can reconfirm tomorrow?
Yeah, I need to look at my schedule and I'll let you know what time will work best for me. My place is very, my office is very close to the home.
Okay.
I'm selling, so it's only 10-minute drive. So we should be no issues.
No issues. Sounds good.
Okay.
Perfect. So I will text you right now and send me your email at your convenience.
Okay. Thanks for the call.
Thank you. Talk to you soon. Have a nice day.
Okay. You too.
Bye-bye.